Hey guys, Ken here. So book reviews are of course one of the most important things when it comes to selling books on Amazon. If you don't have any book reviews, you're going to have a tough time making sales. In this video, I'm going to show you the most effective review strategy for Amazon KDP, and more importantly, how to get multiple types of reviews that don't get removed. Let's get into it. So how should we be thinking about book reviews? So book reviews are the rite of passage for our book. When we're launching it, even if it's good, we need to get enough reviews to have the social proof to compete with what's there, and to more importantly, see how good our book really is. And so I personally wouldn't write off a book until it has at least 50 reviews. This will allow you to see at least a glimmer of the full potential that the book has and its overall performance. And so on top of this, we should also probably answer the question, do book reviews even matter? And so I have a good case study here from one of my books that answers this question pretty well. And so as of April 30th of this year, this book was at a 61,000 BSR, bestseller rank, and it actually dropped down to 80,000 at one point, and essentially was losing its ranking in its main search term and just getting worse and worse by the week. But as you can see, during this time, this book had about 425 reviews. So reviews weren't the problem. It had a ton of reviews, but I had to make a few changes to the book itself. And so basically what I did was I revamped the interior, I reformatted it. More importantly, I redid a bunch of important sections so I could stand out from my competitors. And then I leaned into my social proof as well. So I had joined over 10,000 readers because the book has sold over 10,000 copies, and I had to make these important changes for it to appeal more to my customer, stand out from my competitors, and actually make sales. And fast forward to today, as of June 30th, this book is at about a 3,200 BSR. And it's making anywhere from 30 to 50 sales a day. And so this royalty number is actually quite inaccurate. It's making roughly around anywhere from $250 to $400 per day. Yesterday was quite large. It was about 540. This is my overall royalties for the day, but most of which were coming from that one book. But the point I'm trying to make here is that when you pair a book that appeals to your customers, it stands up from your competitors, and more importantly, has a ton of reviews, that's how you get results. It's really that simple. And so there are many factors that work together that determine a book's success with Amazon KDP, and reviews are just one of them. So just because you have reviews doesn't mean your book will sell. Just because you have a good book doesn't mean it will sell. You have to have a good book in the right topic with enough reviews, and this works together. Like you saw, I had over 400 reviews. The book was starting to tank. I had to make some very important changes to be the best option in the topic. And so now, of course, the reason you clicked on this video, how do we actually get these reviews in the most effective way? And so in my opinion, we want to use a synergy system. We want to get all different types of reviews to make our book look as good as possible. It makes it easier to get lots of reviews. And more importantly, it sets us up for success in the long term. And so we want to get verified purchase reviews through our ebook. We want to get paperback reviews, people buying and reviewing our paperback book. And more importantly, we also want to get real reader reviews because these tend to stick around the longest, they don't get removed, and they're very realistic. And so how we're going to do this is we're going to use 3 different sites and use all these sites for a specific purpose and then use them together. And these sites are going to be Book Village for our verified purchase reviews through our ebook. We're going to use Book Bounty to get verified paperback purchase reviews. And we're also going to use Book Reverb to get real ARC reader reviews that are going to look super good in our book and last for a long time. And we're going to use these 3 sites to get our initial 30 to 60 reviews, get our book to a point where it can actually make some sales and show some potential, and then we can decide how far we want to take that book. And so I will leave my affiliate links to these sites in the description. It does help support the channel. But basically, Book Village is you're going to make an account, you're going to read and review other people's books, you're going to earn promotions. You can use those promotions on your own books for reviews. And so Book Village does a great job at making it as compliant as possible. There's no review swapping going on. More importantly, if reviewer accounts are bad and they don't look very good, they're going to remove them from their site because Amazon really cares about the quality of reviewer, the person leaving reviews. And Book Village does a great job of managing this, and it's only getting better. So this is going to be great for our verified ebook reviews. When it comes to our paperback book reviews, we're going to use Book Bounty. It works similar to Book Village. We're going to read and review books, earn bounty points, and we can redeem those points for reviews on our books. Specifically, in this case, they have paperback reviews. So somebody will actually buy your paperback book, look at it, review it, and leave their feedback. And if we're lucky, they might even leave a picture of our book, which will be very high quality. So when you create an account on Book Bounty, you simply want to add your books. We can go new book. You're going to put in the information. More importantly, you're going to select the review types you want to get. In this case, we're going to get our verified purchase print. You can, of course, select a verified purchase Kindle as well, because you can get those also. It's going to ask you a bit more information about the book. This system will be very similar to Book Village. You're simply uploading your book, And then from there, once we have our book live, we can go and earn some bounty points. That is done through the bounty library. We're going to select the books we want to review, click choose this book. We're then going to go and buy the ebook to review it if that's what it asks for, leave our feedback, and then we're going to earn our points for that book. In this case, we're going to earn 2,000 bounty points. And then once we've earned some points and we want to get some reviews, we can simply go and click on that book in our catalog. We can click start a bounty. And then in this case, we're going to select a verify purchase print. We're going to pick the price that our book is at. Let's say it's $9.99. And it might help to lower the price of your book for a couple of weeks to do this. Select our turnaround time, what marketplace we want our review to be left in, and then simply click send bounty. And like I said, this process will be similar for Book Village, but you're going to be getting the verify purchase Kindle where people will buy your ebook. And so the reason we're using multiple sites is sometimes it takes a bit of time to get these reviews depending on the landscape of the site at the time. And so if we're using Book Village to get our ebook verified reviews, we're using Book Bounty to get our paperback reviews, and then we're using Book Reverb to get even more reviews. It's all going to stack and work together very well. And so when it comes to Book Reverb, their system is a bit different. You are not reviewing anybody's books. You're not earning currency. You're simply paying their service to get you reviews. And they basically have a ton of real readers on the back end that can go and select which books they want to review. These are unverified reviews, but that's fine because they're very high quality. They're real people with real accounts that look super normal. And in my experience, after using them for quite a few reviews, very few of those reviews got removed, and the reviews are very high quality. Book Reverb will be a bit different of a process than the other two. We're going to, of course, add our book to our catalog. Once we have it live, we can go and get reviews for our book. In this case, I've gotten 54 reviews for this one. It's at 4.8 stars. Like I said, only a couple of these have actually gotten removed, and it is very common for your reviews to get removed, even if it is just a normal person buying and reviewing your book. It does happen, don't worry about it. But basically, we start an ARC campaign to get reviews. We're going to select our bid price for each review. I usually do $8 or $9, then select how many reviews you want to get. It's going to then put your book in the marketplace. People are going to go and find it, review it, and you'll see all the reviews down here. And so like I said, we want to use Book Village for our verified purchase reviews through our ebook. We're going to use Book Bounty to get our paperback reviews. And to tack onto this to make sure we can get reviews even faster and get to this 30 to 60 mark, we're going to use Book Reverb as a bonus. And all these things will work together, create a very high quality pool of reviews on our book that looks super clean, and we're going to be set up for long-term success. And a bonus as well to getting reviews on your books is to create a high quality book. When you actually deliver on the promise your customer is expecting and give them a good experience, they will be inclined to leave their feedback. And when you have high sales volume, this tends to add up. Going back to my book here, as you can see, it had about 424 reviews at the beginning of June. Now at the end of June, it has about 442. So basically we got 20 reviews throughout this month, completely organic. I used no sites to get these reviews. It's all coming from the organic sales. And so once we get this initial 30 to 60 reviews, we can then earn our spot in our topic, in our ranking. We can see if there is potential with that book and then determine if we want to take it even further. And if we do see potential with that book, we can essentially go back and rinse and repeat this process and continue to push this book to 100 plus, because if it's selling well and ranking well at 30 to 60, it's going to do even better with a few hundred. And like I said, when you have a high quality book that stands out from your competitors and has a good amount of reviews, this is the synergy that's going to allow you to get a ton of book sales. And then of course, when you're happy with where the book's at, you can move on to the next book and rinse and repeat this process. But you're essentially stacking up all sorts of book reviews on your book to make it look as legit and as high quality as possible. And this will put your book in the best possible spot. And so a simple publishing goal to aim for is to ideally get 5 to 10 high content nonfiction books published. Make sure they're all in high demand topics, they appeal to your customer, and more importantly, stand out from your competitors, and they all have at least 50 plus reviews. If you do this, you're going to very clearly see which books are the outliers, which books are performing the best and show potential, and then you can take those books to 100 plus reviews over time. And it's fine if it takes 6 months to a year to do this, because books on Amazon are meant to sell for the long term. And when you are in established topics, this is what happens. So that is the system that I use and teach to get book reviews on Amazon. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll also leave a link to my free email course. It walks you through my entire publishing process start to finish, giving you one lesson a day for 12 days. Just goes into the deep theory and strategy of how I publish books to get the best results. That's it for this one. Make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense Amazon KDP advice. See you in the next one.